First, be sure to choose games that connect to language learning. Although you want your students to have fun, you should also make sure the game has a purpose for learning language. When you prepare your lesson plan, ask yourself questions about the language to make sure you aren't using games as just a fun way to pass the time in class.
In general, again, children learn by playing, by experimenting. So if you get that into your class, it's going to be easier for them to remember what you're teaching. And what kind of games? Any kind of games.
It's important for the teacher to analyze what kind of game. Game for the sake of game is not relevant, it's not recommended.
The game has to fit the grammar point, not the grammar point fitting the game.
Ask yourself, what language does the game target? Does it check comprehension of vocabulary? Does it practice a grammatical structure? Let's take a look at one game in Level 3 in the unit, What's for Dinner? In this board game, students cut out pictures of different foods, which include the vocabulary for the unit, such as bowl of sugar, loaf of bread, bunch of bananas, etc. Then they place them on the board, making sure their partner doesn't see where. Students ask and answer questions following the grammar point of the lesson. Using this question and answer pattern, students try to find the location of pictures on their partner's board. Notice there is a model of the expected dialogue for the students to follow.
B2, is there a soda?
No, there isn't a show. A1, are there any eggs?
Yes, there are a few. Here you are.
Practicing the grammar and vocabulary in a game like this reinforces and extends student learning in a meaningful context. Also, ask yourself, what skills does the game practice? Does it practice listening, speaking, reading, or writing? Does it practice spelling? Does it practice pronunciation?
I am sad. Okay, next one.
I'm not happy.
Very good. I'm not happy. Let's say I am sad. Sad.
I am sad.
Very good.